Hello YouTube, this is going to be my first video. I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer um, using the settings and certain configurations without actually upgrading the physical components slash hardware in your computer. You can just change some settings around, hopefully speed up enough to where you're able to do what you want to do. So, first thing you want to do is, you're on the desktop, you want to hit your Windows key and the letter R. It's going to open up Run. Or what you do is you go on search and type Run. Then you click this. And then what I want you to do is type msconfig. So ms configuration is what that shorts for. What that is short for, my bad. Hit OK. You want to go to boot, advanced options, number of processors, and you want to put it on the highest number, so that whether it be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, whatever. I don't know if there's 10 cores, but I have mine set to 4. You don't want to touch anything else, because if you touch any of this stuff, it'll mess it up. Hit OK. Then change your timeout. It should default be set on 30, and I want you to set it to 3. Then hit apply. Also, while you're here, you can change your startup programs to where when you turn your computer on, it doesn't start up every program on the face of the earth. So you go 2 tabs over to startup, and it should open Task Manager. And then what you'll see this, and you want to go to startup right here. Then you want to disable the stuff you don't want to start up. So for example, I don't want Twitch to start up when my computer starts because I don't need it right away. But I want my iCUE application to start because that's for my mouse, and that's how my mouse is programmed. I'll go ahead and disable that because I don't need that. So disable what you don't need when you start up your computer. Go ahead and hit apply and hit OK. The next thing you want to do is you want to change your power options. If you're running desktop, you want full speed at all times. You need to set your power plan to high performance. So what you want to do is you want to go to search and type power, and click right here. You should say power and sleep settings. Then go down to additional power settings, and by default you should see this. And you want to go show additional power plans, and the high performance should be right here, the power save is. So hit high performance, and if it's not, you want to go to the left and hit create a power plan and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to type stuff, and then click high performance. Then you want to go change plan settings, change advanced power settings. You want to go to processor power management. You want to have your minimum processor state on 100%, and you also want to have your maximum processor state at 100%. If you didn't have to create a power plan and high performance was already on there, you do the same thing I just described. Change advanced power settings, go all the way down, processor power management, minimum processor state at 100%, maximum processor state at 100%. Hit save changes. Exit out of all that. Next thing you want to do is you want to change your paging file, which is your virtual RAM. And this is the way I do it. Some people do it differently, but I've always done it this way, and it works out great. So you go down here to type here to search. You click it, and you want to type performance, and then it should say adjust performance, or adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. You click it. Then go to the next tab over and hit advanced. Go down to virtual memory or virtual RAM and hit change. By default, it should have this checked, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck that and go to custom size. I always set my initial size the same as maximum size. So for example, my computer, it has 8 gigs of RAM. So there's 1024 megabytes and 1 gigabyte. So you always want to set it to the megabytes of what you have. So let's say you have 4, you'll set it to 496. So 1024 times 4. Alright, so that would be 4 gigabytes or 496 megabytes. But I have 8, so I want to set mine to 8192, 8192. You hit set, okay, and then hit apply, and then okay. There's other things you can do. You might need to, maybe your graphics driver is out of date. So what you want to do is, you want to go down here and hit device, or type device manager. Click it. And when you're on here and you see anything, hold on, sorry, wait till it loads. And you see anything on here and it has like a yellow triangle, an exclamation point, that means you need to update it because it's not reading whatever that is and it needs updated. But to update your video card or display driver, video adapter, whatever, you go down to display adapters and you click the one that you're using. If it's not updated, it should say like something like Microsoft Display Port or Adapter or some crap like that. You right click and hit update driver. And if you're connected to the internet like I am, I don't know why you wouldn't be, you hit search automatically for updated driver software. And it will search online for your drivers. And then if it finds one, it'll say downloading, then it'll say install, and then you'll notice your screen's different. Some people just think that, they don't have to update the computer at all. You gotta keep your computer up to date or it's not going to perform functional like you want it to. The last simple thing that you can do is just run Windows Update. See if there's any updates that you need. Because sometimes a computer is set to where it's not automatically, they don't automatically do that by itself. You actually need to set it to where it does. So once again, go to the search bar and type update. Check for updates. Give it a second. Okay, look, see? I had an update, I didn't even know about it. So right here it should say check for updates. You'll check it and then it'll check it. And then you'll hit check for updates and then it will check for the updates and then it'll install it and then it'll tell you to restart or whatever. It's just simple things, guys. It's not really hard stuff. It's just some people don't know that you can just do these simple things. Those little settings make a big difference, like the power settings, how many processors you're running on. Like sometimes it's set to 2, but you have a quad core, so it has 4 cores. You want to set it to the maximum size. But once you do all that, what you want to do is restart it. If everything's still slow, you probably actually just need to, bite the bullet and actually upgrade, your RAM, processor, video card, whatever. But in future videos, I'll actually show how to build a computer. But if you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, let me know how it was. Like I said, it's my first video, so I'm not really good at it yet, but thanks for watching.